Well, dear students, yesterday I have already seen as to how we can solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. As I have already told you, when you adopt this particular method, the standard form of quadratic equation must be not ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, but it should be x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where the coefficient of x squared is 1. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Now today we will take up the other variety. Even then you adopt the same method. But while taking half of the coefficient, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Suppose the coefficient of x is a fraction. Let us suppose x squared plus half x plus 1 equals 0. No, x squared plus half x plus 1 equals 0. That means coefficient of x is now a fraction. When it's a fraction, how to take half of the coefficient? Very easy. I've already told you. Whenever I say that take half of the coefficient, put 2 in the denominator. What is the coefficient of x here? Half. So what is half of the coefficient? Means half of half. That is put 2 in the denominator. Half ಇದೆ into 2 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. That is 1 by 4. So half of half is how much? 1 by 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಈಗ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 by 4x ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us say 1 by 4x ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Take half of the coefficient x, put 2 in the denominator. 1 by 4 into 2. That means 1 by 8 is half of the coefficient of x. Not here. 1 by 8 ಆಯ್ತು. Are you able to follow? 1 by 3 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 upon 3 into 2, 1 by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 5 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 5 into 2, 1 by 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose it becomes 3 by 2. Now, 3 by 2 is also a fraction. So what is half of 3 by 2? Put 2 in the denominator. Into 2 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 2 into 2. It means 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is half of 3 by 2. Suppose it is 5 by 3. Coefficient of x is 5 by 3. What is half of 5 by 3? 5 by 3 into 2. Put 2 in the denominator. That is 5 by 6. I hope you understood. 5 by 6 is half of the coefficient. Suppose it is 4 by 3. ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 by 3 ಇದೆ. What is half of 4 by 3? Into 2 ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 by 6 ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. 2 2s are 4 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ 4 by 3 ಅದೇನಾರು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ. 4 by 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? 2 by 3 is half of the coefficient. That is 2 by 5 ಇದೆ. What is half of 2 by 5? What is half of 2 by 5? Put 2 in the denominator. 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1 by 5. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೌ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್? ಇಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಹಾಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪುಟ್ 2 in the denominator, multiply, square it and add it and the same thing. Same procedure follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. We shall just see. Now I shall take the first problem. The first problem is 4x squared. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 4x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ x squared ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ x squared ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬರ್ಕೂಡ್ದು. ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ 4. ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by 4 of x minus 5 by 4 equals 0. That is, I have divided the entire equation by 4 so that the coefficient of x squared should become equal to 1. Now in head, coefficient of x squared 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ I divide that 1 complete by 4. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x squared ಆಯಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 1/4 of x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರಗೆ 1/4 of x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ 5 ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 5/4 = 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತು. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x squared? 1. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನಾವು ಮಾಮೂಲು ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5/4 ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ plus 1/4 of x equals 5/4. That means I have transferred c to right hand side. So 5/4. Then then write it as it is. X squared plus 1/4 of x plus square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Take half of the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 1/4. 1/4 half understand? 1/4 into 2. 1/4 into 2. That means 1/8 the whole square ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ 1/8 ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1/4 ಇದೆ coefficient of x. ಟೇಕ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ coefficient ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1/4 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 1/8 the whole square. That is equal to 5/4 plus 1/8 the whole square. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/4 of x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 the whole square. ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ 5/4 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 the whole square ಅಂದರೆ 1/64 ಆಯಿತು. 5/4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ 1/64. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 the whole square equals, what is the LCM? 64 is the LCM. Notice 64 is the LCM on the right hand side. Then what do you get? 4 16s are 16 5s are 80 plus 1. Notice 80 plus 1 ಆಯಿತು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ? 64 LCM ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 4 ಇಂದ 4 16s are 16 5s are 8, 64 ಇಂದ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. x plus 1/8 the whole square, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 80 plus 1? 81/64. 81/64 ಆಯಿತು. 81/64 is a perfect square. ಯಾಕೆ? both the numerator and denominator are perfect squares. 81/64. Take out the square root. Therefore, what is x plus 1/8 equal to? X plus 1/8 equals plus or minus square root of 81/64. Nodi, x plus 8, not yes, x plus 1/8. X plus 1/8 is equal to what? Yeah, tell us plus or minus square root of 81/64. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore, x plus 1/8 equals plus or minus 81/64 square root ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 9/8. It is 9/8. Then plus 1/8 ಅನ್ನು right hand side ಗೆ transfer ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Because I want to find out the value of x. Therefore, what is the value of x? X has got two values, 1/8 plus or minus 9/8. So now, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೆ it becomes minus 1/8. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/8 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ -1/8 ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 9/8 ಆಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? -1/8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9/8 ಒಂದು ರೂಟು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಟು -1/8 minus 9/8. They are the two roots of the equation. ನೋಡಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. -1/8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9/8 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. -1/8 minus 9/8 ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 8 is the common denominator. You can do it directly. Or x is equal to 9 minus 1, 8/8. ನೋಡಿ -1/8 plus 9/8 and 9 minus 1 is ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 8/8. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿಗೆ -9 minus 1 minus 10/8. See that? -10/8. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x is equal to 8/8 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. -10/8 ಅಂದರೆ -5/4. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ the two roots of the equation. So 1 and -5/4 are the two roots of the equation. -1 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು -5/4 are the two roots of the equation. I hope you understood this one. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಅಲ್ಲ, +1 -9 +1 ನೋಡಿ, +1 ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು. That you know that one. Okay. Next problem is 2x² plus 5x minus 3 equals 0 ಇದೆ. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. So divide the entire equation by 2. ಯಾಕೆ? coefficient of x square 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? x that is equal to or x square plus 5/2 of x minus 3/2 equals 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So I have divided the entire equation by 2. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು? x square plus 5/2 of x ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ -3/2 equals 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ x square plus 5/2 of x equals 3/2 -3/2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ +3/2 ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ half of the equation x and square it, and then x square plus 5/2 of x ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, plus half of the coefficient 5/2. What is half of 5/2? I have already told you, put 2 in the denominator. 5/2 ಇದೆ, into 2 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5/4 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 5/4 is half of 5/2. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 5/4 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ 3/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25/16. ಯಾಕೆ? 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾಗೆ? 25/16. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಕಡೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್? 16 ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್? 16. ದೆನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಇಂದ 16 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 8s are 8 into 3 is 24 plus 16 ones are, and there is 25. See that? 24 plus 25/16 ಬಂತು. ಇದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x plus 5 by the 4 the whole square. X plus 5 by 4 the whole square. That is equal to, what is 25 by 24? 49 upon 16 ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. 25 plus 24 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 49 by 16. Once again, it's a perfect square. ನೋಡಿ, 49 by, it's really 16. Take out the square root. Therefore, x plus 5 by 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 49 by 16. Square root of 49 by 16. Then simplify. X plus 5 by 4 is now equal to, what is the square root of that one? Plus or minus 7 by 4. ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್? Plus 49 by 16 plus square root of 49 by 16. Square root of 49 by 16 is 7 by 4. Then simplify. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ plus 5 by 4 ನಾ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. X is now equal to minus 5 by 4 plus or minus 7 by 4. ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 by 4 plus or minus ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಲ್ಲಿ? 7 by 4. Write them separately. X is equal to, it means minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4 ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I hope you just understand. I am writing it separately. ನೋಡಿ, minus 5 by 4 plus or minus ಇತ್ತು, plus or minus 7 by 4 ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ plus 7 by 4 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ minus 7 by 4 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ x will be equal to minus 5 plus 7, that is 2 by 4. ನೋಡಿ, minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2, plus ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Plus 2 by 4 is one root, and the second one is minus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Both of them are minus. You can add them directly. What is minus 7 minus 5? Minus 12 by 4. It doesn't stop at that stage. Now simplify it further. What is 2 by 4 equal to? Half. Because 1 by 2, I cancel it. That is one of the roots. And minus 12 by 4, it is minus 3. That means, please understand, what are the two roots? Half and minus 3 are the roots of the equation. I hope you have understood as to how you can solve the equations when you have the coefficient of x squared other than 1. 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. 3x squared, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0 ಇದೆ. What is the first step? You have to divide the entire equation by 3. Why? The coefficient of x squared should be 1. So divide it throughout. ಏನಾಯಿತು? x squared minus 4 by 3 of x plus 1 by 3. 1 means 1 by 3. That's equal to 0. Every term by 3. Every term I have divided by 3. Then transfer c to the right hand side. The constant term x squared minus 4 by 3 of x equals minus 1 by 3. Please see that. X square minus 4 by 3 of x go to minus 1 by 3 ಆಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. Then I have to make the left hand side perfect square, for which you have to take half the coefficient of x and square it. And then x squared, you write it as it is, x squared minus 4 by 3 of x, I shall write it as it is, plus, what is the coefficient? Half of 4 by 3. Once again, ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 4 by 3 ಇದೆ, put 2 in the denominator ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. 4 by 3 ಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 2 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 2s are 4 ಆಯಿತು. ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೀನಿ. ಸೊ 4 by 3 is half ಅಂದರೆ put 4 by 2 in the denominator. 4 by 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 the whole square. By adding 2 by 3 the whole square, the left hand side can be made perfect square. 2 by 3 ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 4 by 3 ಇದೆ. What is half of 4 by 3? 4 by 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, therefore 2 by 3 is left over, therefore 2 I square it and add that one. So 2 by 3 the whole square. That is equal to 1 by 3 as it is minus 1 by 3. Yes sir, it is minus 1 by 3, then plus 2 by 3 the whole square, plus 2 by 3 the whole square. Whatever you add on the left hand side, you must add the same thing to the right hand side also. That is how I written like this. Then the left hand side becomes x minus, because why is it that I am writing minus? Because the middle term is minus. Either a plus b the whole square or a minus the whole square form barutte. So minus 2 by 3 the whole square. Yadu 2 by 3 last term nodi. X square minus 4 by 3 of x plus 2 by 3 the whole square is ella. Take out the square root. So x minus 2 by 3 the whole square. Why is it I have put minus? Because the central term is minus. It is of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That means a minus b the whole square. Therefore, I have just put minus. That is equal to, simplified further, minus 1 by 3 as it is, plus 2 by 3 the whole square is 4 by 9. 4 by 9. See that? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9. Simplify the right hand side. So, x minus 2 by 3 the whole square, you shall write it as it is. Any change ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. That's equal to, what is the LCM for 3 and 9? 9 is the LCM. Then simplify, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, it is minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, because 9 is there. 9 ones are 1, 4s are 4. Then simplify the right hand side. That is x minus 2 by 3 the whole square. Yes sir. Equals minus 3 plus 4. Means plus is greater. Plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So that is 1 by 9. Okay. 1 by 9 is a perfect square again. Therefore, take out the square root. X minus 2 by 3 the whole square is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 9. Okay. Now you see that? Plus or minus square root of 1 by 9. Write it now. Take out the square root. What do you get? X minus 2 by 3 the whole square, or x minus 2 by 3. Take out the square root. X minus 2 by 3 equals plus or minus 1 by 3. Because square root of 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. Plus or minus. Then transfer. Minus 2 by 3 to right hand side. Therefore, what is the value of x? X equals 2 by 3 plus or minus 1 by 3. What does it mean? Now see that? Again, 2 by 3 plus or minus 1 by 3. So write it separately, the roots. X is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is one root, comma 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is another root. They are the two roots. I am writing it separately. 3 is the common denominator. You can directly write it. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 means 3 by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 3. Then, that is one root. Another one is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means 2. What is 2 minus 1? 1. 1 by 3. So, simplified further, x is equal to 3 by 3 means 1 and another is 1 by 3. So, the two roots of the equation are 1 and 1 by 3 are the roots of the equation. Please understand this one. I hope you know how to find. We will just go to the last problem today. How exactly we have to do it. We will just take up the last problem of the day. Okay, sir. 4x squared minus 20x plus 9 equals 0 here. It should be x squared only. Therefore, I have to divide the entire equation by what? 4. Come on, multiply it completely, divide it completely by 4. What will it become equal to? X squared minus 5x plus 3, not 3, plus 9 by 4, not 3. I am not dividing it by 3. So, it is 9 only, 9 by 4. See that? X squared, 4x squared is there, therefore x squared, minus 4 5s are 20. So it is 5x plus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 divided equals 0. Transfer 9 by 4 to the right hand side. What will it become? X square minus 5x equals minus 9 by 4. Okay, sir. I have done the count. Then you have to complete the square. To complete the square there, you have to take what? Half of the quotient of x and squaring it. So, x squared minus 5x, I shall write it, plus what is half of 5? Half of 5 we already done yesterday. 5 by 2. Put 2 in the denominator. So, 5 by 2 the whole square. That is equal to minus 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2 the whole square. Why? Because I have to add the same thing to the right hand side also. Please see that. Write it along with me. ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Then you have to write down the square on the left hand side. That is equal to what? X squared minus 5x plus 5 by 2 the whole means minus that is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That is x minus 5 by 2 the whole square. X minus 5 by 2 the whole square. See that? It is the expansion of x minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Yadu left hand side is the expansion of x minus 5 by 2 the whole square. That is equal to, once again, minus 9 by 4, you write it as it is, plus what is 5 by 2 the whole square? 25 by 4. See that? 5 by 2 the whole square, na? 25 by 4 per day. And then x minus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to, simplify the right hand side. What is the LCM? 4. So in the numerator, directly write it minus 9 plus 25. See now? Minus 9 plus 20 because common denominator. Then simplify it further. X minus 5 by 2 the whole square equals, that's equal to, what is 25 minus 9 is plus 16 by 4. See that? Plus 16 by 4. Once again it is a perfect square. Once again it is a perfect square. Therefore, take out the square root. Therefore, x minus 5 by 2 is now equal to plus or minus square root of 16 by 4. Direct avare kobedi. You will lose marks. Plus or minus square root of 16 by 4. 16 by 4. What is 16 by 4? 4. Very easy. ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ. So x minus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. That's equal to 2. Square root of 4 means what? Square root of 4 is nothing but equal to 2. So transfer. So x will be equal to what? Minus 5 by 2 will become plus 5 by 2 plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2 ಹಾಕಿದಲ್ಲಿ plus or minus 2. Then simplify. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X will be equal to what? 5 by 2 plus 2 is one root. Second one is 5 by 2 minus 2 is another root. See that? 5 by 2 plus 2 is one root. 5 by 2 minus 2 is another root. So, what is the LCM there? 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Then what do you get? 5 plus 4 in the numerator. 5 plus 2 2s are 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 plus 4 by 2. Please understand how to take LCM. You know it. Well, elementary things. Then once again, LCM is 2. Same thing get, but it is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 by 2. That's all, because it is minus. Then simplify it further. Therefore, x will be equal to 9 by 2 is one root. That is 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2 is another root. They are the two roots of the equation. X is equal to 9 by 2 or x is equal to half. That is how you can solve the quadratic equation by completing the square when the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. You have to reduce it to 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ and get the roots. So thank you gentlemen. We are just finished a few problems today. Only 4 problems have done. Don't worry about it. But ಇದು different variety of problem. ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to do it again. And tomorrow I just come with another variety of problem there, and I'll just give you once again the next method, formula method known tomorrow. So till then, good evening. Thank you very much.